Hi. Sorry I'm late. I'm a little all over the place. Like, I literally just woke up. This bag is really cute, by the way. I'm keeping it.
Okay.
Where's my coffee?
I don't have anyone here for that.
Oh. Well, don't get too close. I didn't take a shower.
You want to get started?
Do you think that, you could take a picture of me? Just, you know, one for my Instagram. A little higher. Higher. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, one more for my Finsta.
Okay. Got it.
Thank you. Oh, the lighting in here is like really chic. I have to take a selfie. Set life. Okay, now I'm a robot. Okay, now I am old-timey. Oh, cute. Okay, now I'm underwater. Fire. You did good. Thank you. I want to do one of those montages of my face, you know, as time passes, ceaseless, unrelenting. Except my face won't change, like at all. You know, everything around me will change, but mine just stays exactly the same. Because I'm gonna live forever or something, you know? Like time is whatever. Do you want to get started?
You didn't start?
You thought that was it?
It seemed like you were doing like a thing.
I'm like a real actor. Jesus, that wasn't it. I wasn't even...
All right, let's do it.
You know, I think you've seen everything you need to see, so...
Copy that.
I'm keeping this, by the way. Follow me on Instagram.
Devoray, thank you so much for doing this. It's such an honor to have you read for this.
Oh, darling. I'd do anything for the bag. Isn't it fun?
Oh God, I still can't get over your performance in Zilly's Orchids. How much longer does it run?
Oh, throughout next week. I love doing it. Now, it's not the West End. But when I first read the script, I thought, I can't let any of these other bitches play this part before I do.
Well, I'm honored you come in for this. Start whenever you're ready.
My name is Devoray Conaseña. I will be performing a monologue from the play The Wrath of the Trojan Queen, a tragedy in 19 parts. I will be playing the part of the Dowager Queen, Hecuba. I would have worn my headdress, but I'm afraid it wouldn't fit in your elevator. You think I'm scared of you, weak little man? No, 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 no. We are prepared for you. It could be the poison the women put in your ale moments ago. Or, of course, it could be the tears we wrested from your dying sons. Which would hurt you more? Queens will rise when kings fall. I lunge at him. He lunges at me. I lunge back at him. Back and forth in this sort of French farce. Which I would do for you, but I'm afraid you don't have any space here. Where are we, by the way? Never mind. Anyway, you know how to reach me. Kisses from afar, kisses from afar.
I just love this. I could totally see myself doing this campaign. Could you give me a second? I was just broken up with over Snapchat.
Snapchat.
I need love, though. You know, I need it like air. My cells crave it. It's okay, though. You know, my astrologer told me that I would fall in love over 400 times in my lifetime, so it's not really in the cards for me to be with someone for more than 48 hours, you know? It's so beautiful, the first few hours after falling in love. You know, I used to love just making out and touching people without ever talking, you know? But now I just want to talk forever. I really don't want to be alone, but the idea of someone else's touch is just so raw and vulnerable right now, you know? Who are the other people in this campaign? Are they like around my age or older or?
It would just be you. Alone.
Huh. Okay. Could you give me a second?
Sure.